It's market update time. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Hey traders, I've just recorded the video walking you through all the details and steps to the blast off trading system. You're going to absolutely love this. To get access to this blast off trading system, click on the box above that says blast off trading system to get access to it now. Alright, hey traders, market update time. Have a quick look at all the indices, and show you what I see. I was saying last week that we don't know whether this is going to be another little higher trough or whether it's going to be a lower peak. So we just didn't know what was happening. I was saying that it's looking bearish at the moment. We're getting a lot of bearishness activity. So if we do get a sell off, then we could actually see a sell down. But I was waiting for that confirmation. I hope you guys can see what I was saying there, because there was no confirmation of the downside, and we just had a nice pop to the high side with good volume behind it. Lots and lots of volume have come back in basically ever since Trump, and then basically ever since the end of, and basically the start of this year, we've seen a lot of volume come in. So you can see what's happening here, guys. You can see that that if you look at this here, what do we have? We have this sort of resistance here, and then we take this off here. What do we have here? We have this trough here. We have this peak here, right? So we went sideways for a while. It came up, made a higher peak. It came up, made now a higher trough, and now we had a nice gap up with a good bullish movement bar. So this looks like this looks like it's going to get. This looks like it's now in bullish territory, and looks like the Dow Jones is getting ready to actually just take off again. Once again, we had a good run up. We went sideways for a while, and now it looks like we're gonna go for another big run. And then I'm also happy with that, because I'm out of my Goldman Sachs. I'm getting out of my Goldman Sachs. I didn't get out on Friday, but I've got an order in there to basically get me out as soon as the market opens up. But I have actually gotten onto two setups that are very, very bullish, going along with the market itself. You know, going along with I've got one in financial stocks and one in technology stocks. So it's really, really interesting to see what's happening through there. So I got in on those on Friday. This is looking really bullish, guys. Really, really. It went sideways for a while, popped up, came back down, went sideways, and now it's popped back up, and now it looks like it just wants to just keep on running. So we'll see what goes there, but everything's looking really bullish. Once again, guys, same for this as well too, looking really, really bullish. If you look at the S&P 500, that was just, you can see just, and I was saying this last week too, that I didn't want to go short this market, not yet, until it was telling me to. Look at this here, continuation higher, continuation higher, continuation higher. And for those people who are saying this is now the top and we're going to have a crash, looks like they're going to be wrong again. You know what I mean? Like, I am not calling a crash. I just wish these people would stop saying the market's going to top. You know, they see people like Bo Poli, and I'm nothing against him. Actually, no, yes, there is something against him. He keeps calling for the top. Every single month there's a top in place. You know, and then just recently he did an interview, someone pointed that to me, that recently in an interview, he just said, you know what, 20,000 Dow was supposed to be in place because it was written it was written in the 10th century or whatever. I was listening, I'm thinking, bullshit, you're calling for a crash the whole last year. And now you did a recent interview saying 20,000 Dow was imminent. Like, it was just going to get there. Like, no, it wasn't. You thought it was going to go down. So, anyway, guys, follow along with the charts. You got the, little support, high trough. It's now breaking up. This looks like it's going to continue rising up, guys, once again. And looking at the Nasdaq is one ugly mofo. Really, really is. If you just look at the Nasdaq, it is just one ugly mofo. So meaning, like, it's just in this, basically this channel here, as you can see. It's in an overall tight channel, and it just looks like it's just going to continue this channel. Now we've had a little higher trough, nice little bounce off there, came back down, bounced off. But look what's happening here, guys. And as you can see, and this is what's important, have this trough come up, down, made a higher trough, come up, made a higher trough, Made a higher trough somewhere around about here, somewhere around there. Ran up, came back down. What are we making here? Another higher trough. There is nothing bearish about this. People who are saying, oh, the market's going to top out here. There's nothing. It's like follow along with the charts. There is nothing bearish about it. I was seeing a lot of bearishness activity on the Dow Jones, and I was saying that last week. If we do get a drop down, it's going to cause a low peak, and then I'm going to short it. But but then I said to you guys, I don't know whether this is going to be a high trough. Now it's gone up. We've now confirmed a higher trough, and this looks like this had a big run up. Now resting phase looks like it's about to go for another big run, and those people who are calling for a top once again are going to be wrong again. These people that are calling for a crash, it's like wait for the chart, wait for the chart to tell you it's going to go down. Just look for something like a lower peak, a lower trough. It's like these people that are calling for a crash, I just don't know what. So anyway, that's just what I say there. So anyway, let's have a quick look at silver and gold here. Silver and gold. You can see here on silver and gold that we are breaking up just slightly here. We're now getting a nice little bounce off. So silver and gold, we're starting getting a nice rally out of this here, and we're holding strong here. So silver is definitely leading the way when it comes to the metals. But you look at gold. Gold right now, guys, is still stuck around this resistance level here. We need to continue to break up and out of this resistance level here. So we could be making a double top. We might not be, but we need to see a rise back above there. So anyway, guys, that's a quick little update for you guys. I have been watching USO like a hawk. If I bring up my weekly charts, you can see this USO, guys, I've been watching for probably for quite a bit of time. And once it breaks this $12 mark, guys, if we can get a nice little bullish update, break it past the $12, we have a nice run up to about $16, I believe, coming in the USO. So keep an eye out for that, guys. I am definitely, let me actually add that to the continuation bullish list so I don't forget it. And there we go, guys. There's a little market update time. Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to get more free education about trading, then click on the box that says free trading course. This is a free trading course. It goes for around 12 hours long. It's about 12 videos long. Covers everything from chart reading, mindset, trading systems, money management, trade management, everything you need to get yourself ahead in the markets. And if you'd like to get my help personally, then click on the box that says get John's help, and you'll be able to see how you can get my help personally. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.